the money.
I'm not gonna give you.
I'm getting these shoes. Give me the money.
I'm not gonna give you that.
What are we gonna do? Because I'm not leaving without these shoes.
I can't get them. I wish I could. I just try these on. Maybe they'll look good on you.
They're ugly. I'm not putting those on my feet.
A deep breath seems to help her stay quiet until she hears this.
My dad is so stupid.
Don't say that. He's not stupid.
Yes, he is. He's not buying me the shoes.
He works hard for what he has. Don't call him stupid. You're embarrassing him right now.
He's embarrassing me. He wants me to put ugly shoes on my feet.
How old are you?
I'm 13.
Don't act like that.
I want these.
You look really spoiled right now.
I really wanted these shoes.
Why don't you get a job and then get them yourself?
I'm not old enough. Duh.
Okay, so when you get a job, then you can get them yourself. Duh.
Not getting anywhere with Sophia, she offers some advice to the put-upon pop.
Walk out the store and don't get her anything. The more you keep getting her the things that she asks for, like this, the behavior